where the success of a business depends on its ability to move goods from one place to another.
Getting a package from point A to point B seems simple enough, right? Wrong. There is so much more to it, especially when your company is expanding nationally like ours. We started off as a small water company in Iowa, but expanded to stores across the U.S. We expanded so quickly that we did not do a good enough job structuring our supply chain, and as a result, our operational expenses were through the roof. This is me, the CEO, when I realized the most significant change to our operational expenses was due to logistics. That's right. Our issues were with how efficient we could get our product from point A to point B. Today, we are going to try and fix this problem. That's Ariane, the Chief Operating Officer. How's it going? Good. Take a seat. And that's Ryan, the Transportation Manager. Ryan, how's it going? Good to see you. Thanks for coming in on a Saturday, guys. I see you both dressed for the occasion. I called you both in because we're going to attempt to fix our logistics issue.
Logistics issue? I thought our problem was with our operational expenses. What does this have to do with shipping our products?
Our problem is with operational expenses, but we can't look at logistics as simply shipping our product from point A to point B, but rather the path our product takes. Our company receives all the parts that are required to make our product, the plastic bottle, the cap, and the seal at our production facility. Then we create the product, ship it to a distribution center, which then ships it to a local distribution center. Then the product goes to a retail center, and finally the customer receives the product. With our expansion nationally, we have to figure out the most efficient way to do this.
Okay, I understand what you mean now. So that would relate to our different modes of transportation delivering our product, right?
Exactly. Could you explain the different modes of transportation and what we should focus on with our expansion?
Overall, the different types of transportation include rail, truck, air, and water. As a water company, we should focus on the truck and air methods to ship our products. Trucks are generally used to ship between factories and warehouses and have an average capacity of 42,000 to 50,000 pounds. Air has a high variable cost and has an average capacity of under 500 pounds. Based off this information, we will use trucks to transport our products around the country to our distribution centers. If for any reason any of our suppliers need our products quickly, such as a disaster like Hurricane Sandy, we will ship it through the air because of the high cost and the relatively low capacity levels.
Boy, was I wrong with allocating all of our shipments over 500 miles to air. Using truck transportation should surely reduce our operational expenses. So that just leaves the focus on which distribution strategy is best for us. Ariane, could you give us your opinions?
Of course. Well, there are 3 types of distribution strategies: direct shipment, cross-docking, and warehousing and distribution centers. Direct shipment involves shipping from a plant or a supplier direct to a customer, usually requiring either large quantities or a fairly expensive product. Using this method helps save on inventory costs as there is no distribution center. Cross-docking is used by many grocers and mass merchants. The goods usually spend less than 12 hours at the cross-dock. With cross-docking, there is no need for storage and it creates speed. The third strategy is using warehouses and distribution centers. Warehouses are used to store inventory closer to customers to offer quick fulfillment. Warehouses offer the ability to have consolidation on incoming and outgoing shipments. This also allows for stockpiling to protect against seasonality and supplier demand. Because you guys have made the decision to go nationwide, incorporating warehouses and distribution centers would be the best option for your truck and air methods.
Okay. That sounds great. That should really help us to improve our efficiency and further reduce costs. Now that we know that we're going to focus on the truck mode of transportation and warehouse and distribution centers, we can implement a more efficient logistics strategy. Let's plan on meeting at some point next week to check up and discuss our progress. And guys,
logistics makes the world work better.
When it's planes in the sky for a chain of supply, that's logistics.
We're ready.
When the parts for the line come precisely on time, that's logistics. A continuous link that is always in sync, that's logistics. Carbon footprint reduced, bottom line gets a boost, that's logistics. With new ways to compete,
just go around the corner where we're sitting.